last recorded in here, but got a lot more going on now. There's got these broad beans, runner beans, probably planting out now, especially these guys. Start hardening them off outside. Bees are coming on. All the staging's pretty much filling up, and I just thought we'd do a little intro to this episode. We'll be going back, preparing the beds. But I'm going to mulch these beds now because there's a lot of the salad greens ready to prick out, and either sow them there and then, or we might pot them up into bigger pots first. I'm not sure yet. Probably chuck all this into the chickens. And these beds, I just want to scratch them off, get the majority of the stuff out of this lettuce growing on from the stem of last year's. Probably leave that in. Same as this guy. Till all the other stuff starts coming through. That's it really. Again, just getting here, attack this bed, scratch it up a bit, work a lot of the little seeds that are sprouting up into the soil. This is effectively no dig beds in the greenhouses, so we're just going to come in, dump a load more compost and plant directly on top of that. I've been around the outside and dug a load of nettle roots out from that are growing in, so that should have, and then the chickens will scratch the rest of those roots out as the chicken coop extends around the whole of the greenhouse this year. So I just like to have this staging up, and that one stays there permanently in the middle and the back of the potting table. But I put this staging up there, have all the seeds on that as well, and we just hang it up on that cross beam the rest of the year once we're done with the seeds. Those beds are pretty much ready to just dump a load more stuff on top. Have a quick look at the other one. Mainly do cucumbers in this one. Cucumbers, radish. Just got to mulch over the top of it at the minute. Stop a lot of the stuff coming up through. And we'll just give us a 10-minute turnover Nice and rich. Probably about four-fifths broken down. So I might as well put it in now. All right. Dirty hands?
I can't.
I think on the last video, tomatoes were still in the main greenhouse. Got these repotted now and spaced out, laid out where they're going to be going, and so direct planted. But yeah, good size on them now, really. Nice and stocky. And these tumblers always seem to start flowering to fruit straight away, even though they've only just started to come on. And they weren't root bound in the pot, which can make that happen sometimes if you leave them in your initial small pot to begin with, but these came out pretty sharp. Small vine tomatoes. And these 3 or 4 here, yellows and golden. And then the back row, the good, well producing, typical red money makers and gardener's delight. And this greenhouse is probably due a clean now. You should really clean all your plastic or your glass every year, really. Let the light in and everything. But I'm probably not going to get around to that. Cooled down these last week. We had a bit of a hot spell which helped with germination, but it's actually done some of these beans good as well. Now it's cooled off because I think they're getting slightly hot, and I wasn't ready to start adding mocha either, so that was beneficial. Let's just have a quick look. These broad beans will be coming on nice, really. And the peas. I'm going to plant a lot of these peas in beds where there might not be as much nitrogen going in this year, with everything breaking down until it starts to release. So these peas will put some of that back into the soil. Then we've just got sort of phased planting, so we'll be able to plant some more broad beans in 3 weeks time after those start coming on, and same with the peas, really. Just having things staggered is sometimes better than planting the whole lot at once. That's all the mixed salad and Japanese greens, radishes. Now these courgettes are germinated, just about to sprout through the top. Yeah then. There are onions on there.
trees and that. You feel that?